So first I am going to recite the poetry, and then I am going to analyze the poem section wise in three stanzas. So let's start. Looking for a Cousin on a Swing by A.K. Ramanujan. When she was 4 or 5, she sat on a village swing, and her cousin, 6 or 7, sat himself against her. With every lunge of the swing, she felt him in the lunging pits of her feeling. And afterwards, we climbed a tree, she said, not very tall, but full of leaves, like those of a fig tree, and we were very innocent about it. Now she looks for the swing in cities with 15 suburbs and tries to be innocent about it, not only on the crotch of a tree that looked as if it would burst under every leaf into a brood of scarlet figs if someone suddenly sneezed. So, in the first stanza, here the poet says that when his cousin was 4 or 5, she sat on a village swing, and her cousin, that is himself, and he was then 6 or 7 years old, that is, he is not certain what was his age. It means, it implies that the age is not important here. Sat himself against her, that is, they were in physical contact with each other, and with every lunge of the swing, she felt him in the lunging pits of her feeling. Here, the word lunge has a dual meaning, and it symbolizes the sexual arousal that are innocent. And the word pits, it means the lower abdomen, which is regarded as the seat of strong feeling. So, here the words lunge and pits are erotic images that are used by the poet himself, and it implies that the cousin was sexually aroused and she was enjoying it. Now, in the second stanza, afterward we climbed a tree, she said, not very tall but full of leaves, like those of a fig tree, and we were very innocent about it. Here, fig tree is very important because this image of fig tree is borrowed from the Bible, and according to the Bible, Adam and Eve used the leaves of this fig tree to hide their genital. That is, they became sexually aware, means they become mature. So also here the word we used in the second line of the stanza 2, here poets shift his narrative from third person to first person, which indicates that the person poet is talking about is himself. Now let's go to the third stanza. Here it says that she looks for a swing in the cities with 15 suburbs. It means that she is now mature and she lives in cities and tries to be innocent about it. That is, she is looking for someone to fulfill her sexual desires, and she is not innocent but trying to be so. Also, here it says that not only on a crotch of a tree that looked as if it would burst. Here the phrase crotch of a tree is very important because it indicates the part of the body that include vagina, that is the sexual part. And also here it says that looked as if it would burst under every leaf into a brood of scarlet figs. Here the scarlet fig symbolizes the sexual encounter to get fertilized. And also in the last line it says that if someone suddenly sneezed, here sneezed has a different meanings than the actual sneezing we know. According to Hindu text, sneeze means the touching of genitals. So from the analysis of first, second, and third stanza, we can say that here A.K. Ramanujan is depicting a poem with full of erotic images and sexual awareness and related things.